Everyone, and thanks for getting locked in with your girl Key. On this channel, Teach, Pray, Slay, we're all about just that. We're about teaching, praying, slaying our lifestyle, beauty, and goals together. Now, if you are not a subscriber and you like any of those topics, make sure you subscribe. Hit that red subscribe button, click that notification bell, and make sure to like. And if you have any future suggestions for any future videos, go ahead and comment down below. Now, let's go ahead and dive into this video. This video will be all about Microsoft Teams and how to make Microsoft Teams assignments user-friendly and student-friendly for kids. So, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and learn how to create an assignment using the PowerPoint feature on Microsoft Teams. Before we do that, let me shout out my shirt because teaching is my jam. I will leave the link down below if you like this sweatshirt. I love it. It's so comfy. It's so comfy. And I also have a promo code if you would like to get a discount on it. But if you are a teacher just like me and teaching is your jam, go ahead and purchase it and use that discount code. Make sure to use that discount code because everybody loves a great discount. But let's go ahead and jump into this video. Let's go. All right, so here I opened up a PowerPoint presentation and I opened up the PowerPoint online. I want a blank screen. So the reason why I want a blank screen is because I want to insert in a picture. I took a snippet of a graphic organizer that I am going to use to help my students retell a story. So first I'm going to insert in the picture. And I am going to select the graphic organizer and I am going to insert. Now once it's in the or on the blank page, I am going to size it. I'm going to make sure that it fits, and right now we are in the landscape mode, so I want to make sure that my graphic organizer is landscape also. So now let's move on. From here, it's actually ready, if you know what I mean. However, I want to show you some functions that the students would be able to do and why I like using PowerPoint rather than Google Slides. So first things first, I love the fact that the students can actually draw. Or you can insert. So you can insert text boxes just like you do on Google Slides. So I can insert a text box there and I can size it down and they can type on it. And I like to make sure everything has a line around it. The only reason why I like doing that is because a lot of times the kids don't even know that they can type into the box. Even though it says click here, they still don't know that they could type into the box. So it does have the same feature just as Google. You can go ahead and insert the boxes and you could type in. So I'm going to continue to do that until I fill in all the boxes. Also, you can resize the boxes to match or just to make sure everything is where you want it to be, if that makes sense. So now that I have all of my boxes added, and if you don't know how to insert a box, you just click insert at the top and then you click text box and you just size it the way you want it and place the text box wherever you would like it to be on the page. Okay, so now I'm going to try another blank one and I'm going to insert the same graphic organizer. Because I want to show you the draw feature. The reason why I like this draw feature is because on Google Slides, when you draw, the kids have to keep clicking. So to me, that's not user friendly, because if I don't know to keep clicking just to type, that's just a lot for me, myself, because sometimes that gets aggravating because you might not be done with your drawing. So you got to keep clicking and clicking scribble in order to draw. However, on PowerPoint, and you can do this on PowerPoint Online, and you can also do this with an actual PowerPoint, the actual application, you can use the draw tool. The thing I love about this draw tool is you can just keep drawing. You can keep drawing. The students they have the option to use their pointer, their mouse, or they can use their fingers. I love that option because a parent can always buy a pencil and actually have the students actually write on there. So I love, love, love that feature. Now, how would my students be able to use this in Microsoft Teams? So let's go ahead and create an assignment. And we're going to name this Retail Graphic Organizer. And I'm going to put some instructions here. And this is all up to you. You don't have to put instructions because the graphic organizer already has the instructions. Now I'm going to assign it to my class, and make sure you put the points in. And I am going to schedule it to come out a different date. So you want to make sure you click on schedule a different date. Before you do that, make sure you click edit in order to get to scheduling a different date under due date. And I always schedule it for the specific time, yet again, because I want my students to be able to see it at that time, or they will do it early. So I'll go ahead and schedule. Now let me show you what the kids will see. Oh, that's right. So let me update it and go ahead and assign it right now. Because I want to show you the student's view, if that makes sense. So let me just assign it right now. All right, so I have to assign it right now so I'll be able to see the student view. Hello. So you want to go ahead and assign and click on Retail Graphic Organizer. And now I'm going to look at the student view. Okay, hold on. I totally forgot to attach the PowerPoint. So make sure you attach the PowerPoint. So under instructions, there's an option to click the paper clip and you can attach. Now you want to make sure you have an option for the students to have their own copy. And now you want to assign. Now let's look at the student view. I want you to notice that the student has the option to edit in browser or in PowerPoint. No matter what, they will still be in Microsoft Teams, so no worries there. That's one of the biggest concerns when it comes to parents. They hate going from here to there, but all of this is right inside and located inside of Microsoft Teams. That is just so amazing to me. Like, you can use the platform for many different things, but all of their assignments are right there for them. Now, they can either type in the text box, or you can have them use the draw feature and they can draw. Now, I just want to let you know, of course, I just wanted to show you again, you're still in Microsoft Teams. So, is your student's work going to save? Yes, it will automatically be still there. It will still be there. So now you ask, but Key, I have a vertical worksheet. No worries there. You can still use it in PowerPoint. I like to use this for handwriting. So what I usually do is take a snippet of a worksheet or any type of sheet. It doesn't have to be a worksheet, but this is one of the handwriting tools to help my students with handwriting. So I took a snippet of it, and now I need to get a new or a blank presentation. So I know, I'm looking at it too. As of right now, I am in landscape mode, but let me show you how you will transfer landscape into vertical. So what you're going to do is you are going to click slide size, and now you want to custom it. So make sure you click on vertical, and I did ensure fit to see how that will work out. And I'm going to go ahead and delete these boxes. And now I'm going to press Control C to copy my snippet into my slide. So as you can see, it doesn't fit. So let's go ahead and click Design again, and we're going to go ahead and customize it. Now we know our paper is 8.5 in width and 11 inches in height. So I'm going to type in 8.5 and 11 and press OK. Ensure the fit. Oh, I just maximized the fit. I'm sorry. And voila. Now let's go insert this assignment into Microsoft Teams. So I'm going to create assignment, and let's just put writing our A's or write A's, and then our instructions. And this is a great tool. The reason why is because the students can use the draw feature, and they don't have to keep clicking in order to draw the A. They can actually draw the A and not type the A. You want to put 100 points, and this time I did not forget my attachment. So I got to find it and attach. And of course, I can assign to my class, and you can assign to multiple classes at the same time. But we want to go ahead and assign because I want you to see the student view. So they'll click on the PowerPoint. Once they get there, it'll be up to them if they edit it in the browser or the PowerPoint, but let's do the browser just for fun today. And they're still in PowerPoint. They'll click draw, and they can use their fingers or their hands or a eraser to go ahead and draw. And it's no clicking. It's just literally dragging. All right, so you got through this video. If you got to the end of this video, you should now know how to create an assignment using PowerPoint. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are a teacher and you have fellow friends that need this, that really need this, go ahead and share it with them. Make sure to hit the subscribe, because I'm going to load more content like this, because we need to start making Microsoft Teams user-friendly for our students. Now, if you would like to subscribe, go ahead and do so. Hit that notification bell for more content like this. Or if you would like to join because you like to pray, you like to slay, lifestyle and goals together, go ahead and hit subscribe and that notification bell. Again, and everything we do, we make sure we are teaching, praying, and slaying. So I'll see you next time. Bye.